Tell us when they get good again.
Good.
Are you close enough where he can see it? Their eyes. That's bad. Oops.
What's happening now?
Circles.
Tell us when they go bad and good.
Bad. Good. Bad. Good.
Keep looking at me.
Bad.
Stand still, please.
Good. Bad. Did you take it yet?
It keeps going. It's not a camera. It's a video. It's like we're
It's
shooting
making
a movie. Are they good or bad?
Bad. Oh, fine. I'm done with this.
No.
No.
Stay. Keep going, please. Please. We'll give you a special treat if you keep doing it. Are they good or bad?
Bad. Good.
All right, stand still, please.
Bad. Good. Bad. Good. Nah. Good. Bad. Good.
Are you doing anything to
Are
make
you
it
making
happen?
it do that?
I think I'm trying to hold it in.
Don't hold it in. Just be normal.
Bad.
Both eyes are coming in that time.
Good. Bad. Good. Bad. Good.
All right, can you make them go bad?
Bad.
Can you make them go good?
Good.
Make them go bad again.
Can you make them go bad?
Good.
Do you know how to make them go bad?
Yeah.
How?
You like stand and you like turn my eyes and then fine.
Well, next time it happens, I'm going to say something to you. I want you to tell me if you can hear me.
All right, make them go bad again.
ABC
I
1
think
2
I
3.
just heard something flash.
ABC 1 2 3. What did I say?
ABC 1 2 3.